Another powerful technique is habit stacking, which leverage exciting strong habits are choose for new one. The formula is after I current habits, I will new habits. For example, after I lock my front door, I will put my key in the dish. Or after I finish dinner, I will immediately load the first three dishes into the dishwasher. By linking the desired behavior to an established use, you reduce the reliance on conscious motivation, allowing the new action to become automatic faster. Similarly, designing your environment is crucial to make the good habit easy. Lay out your running shoes or your meditation cushion. To make the bad habits difficult, put your phone in another room while you work.